Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. The Eagle One Pro is an upgraded version of the most popular two-wheeler, which is the Varla Eagle One. Although the model has largely remained the same, the Eagle One Pro is more efficient, more powerful, and features a larger battery. The scooter looks huge, but it's not too weighty or hefty. The tires are large in comparison with the frame, which means it's very stable and quick. Varla's Eagle One Pro sits on the edge of being one of the best-performing heavyweight scooter, with some specifications taken from the Beast scooters. It's a little bit heavier than the scooters like Apollo Phantom, Vsett 10 Plus, as well as the Kaabo Mantis Pro, which weighs 79 pounds. Additionally, it features 11 inches of road tires that are typical of Beast scooters such as Storm and Wolf King GT. Eagle One Pro have 3 modes of routing in addition to the option of switching between single and dual motor modes. 3 riding options don't alter acceleration, only top speed when you select Mode 1, limiting your speed to around 15 miles per hour. Mode 2 is around 28 miles per hour. The third mode, Mode 3, is the highest speed with the speed uncapped. This scooter is obviously a speedy dual-motor scooter with incredible acceleration and a terrifying top speed. The Varla Eagle One Pro scooter is also impressive with a well above trend top speed, exceptional range per pound, and great braking. That's not even the best part. Thanks to the large tires, the scooter has great ground clearance at over 36 inches. They are also great for traction, but could be better. The suspension feels stiff and bouncy for city trails, but the stiffness comes in handy when riding off-road. But you might not like the short deck or its uncomfortable kick plate, especially off-road. Overall, between the hefty steering feel, as well as the sporty riding stance and the fast acceleration, that the Eagle One Pro is exhilarating to ride. However, it can be quite an exercise when you're racing fast. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you like this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.